Having my last sea salt and caramel latte packet. Just gonna mix up the whole damn thing, because why not? Maybe a second cup for in a bit. Got my bacon going. Or get my bacon going. Oh yeah. That's the stuff right there. Cheers. Oh yeah. So you're probably wondering what's for breakfast. Well, naturally bacon, which you've already seen. But it wouldn't have felt right to not make a Bannock. And I got a couple eggs. Same little thing I had from last time, and they're not cracked either. Money. I got one burger patty left from yesterday. But most likely I'll probably be out of here before lunch, so. Damn, that's good. The way the log was laying, like it was actually acting as a block, and I wasn't getting any heat, so I had to move the bacon up on closer to the fire. And I'm also a little impatient because I want to eat, because I'm hungry. Although bacon was in an ice chest, so I guess I shouldn't be too anxious. Just want this bacon crispy so I can move over to the Bannock. And I won't need any grease for the pan because I've already got the bacon rendered in there. Although, where is it? With my, what did I do with it? Growl, snarl. In my egg thing here, I put a couple of butter. I had a couple extra butter packs, so I'm probably going to throw these in with one of these in with the eggs to keep it. Well, one adds flavor, but two, give it a little lubrication for the eggs to cook. Stir the bacon around. Nice. I'm liking this pre-cooked bacon. Especially this Kroger brand. They did it right, man. They got the zip top for the bacon, so you can open it up, grab some, and just seal it back up again. The last one I had to cut open. Well done, Kroger. Nice. I really like these. I really like this pan. I got it at Sportsman's Warehouse, and it was only $5.99 with the lid. But it works so well. All right. Yeah, bacon on a paper towel. It smells delicious, by the way. I'm going with the Bannock flip method again. Although I really could have thinned this down and made pancakes with it, which I thought about bringing pancake mix, but maybe on the next outing I'll bring pancake mix. Because, I mean, pancake mix is so easy. You just add a little water and add a little fat, and you're good to go. Sipping on my... I like crushed it pretty hard. It's almost gone after both cups was almost empty, so I've just been pretty much slamming it all morning. I should say since I made it. Alright. It's not so much I want to try to flip it, I want to try to turn it 180. Well, I might be ready for flipping. I guess it was. Look at that color. Oh man. Excellent. Not overly dark. Cooking up nicely. Money. Alright, as you can see, it got a little dark, but it's alright. I'm going to move right to the eggs because, well, I want to eat, so. The other side looks great. We got some bacon. Some Bannock. Of course, my spatula had to fall right on the ground. So I told you I got a paper towel. And minimal stickage. Well, I have to say, good breakfast. Real good breakfast. It's actually my birthday today too, so. Eggs didn't come out too badly. Alright, so unfortunately my second Bannock was starting to break apart. So I'm going to see if I can't flip it. Come on. Yeah! And I didn't lose it either. Haha. Sweet. Small victories. Well, I have to say, this skillet worked out great. Except for dropping it on the ground and getting much dirt in it. But it's alright. As you can see, nice and clean inside. I don't have to do anything to it when I get home. I just wiped it off with a paper towel. Outstanding AF. Right now I'm just slowly packing up. We're gonna head out of here fairly soon. You know, got stuff to do when I get home, so. Alright.